Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log in and get access to a credit card account for Lloyds Bank. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the search box that appears at the top, type in Lloyds credit card login, press enter on the keyboard. You'll be taken to this page where you can see the search results. Based on your search, simply click the first link that says existing credit card customers Lloyds Bank. In order to get access to a credit card account for Lloyds Bank, you'll need to go and click the login button in the top right hand corner. Choose your internet banking type from the display and give it a click. Type in your credentials in the login area. Start off by typing in a user ID that is associated with your online banking account. Now head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little show link at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, you can check this Remember, Use Your ID box so that next time you won't have to type it in again and again. We're logging into your account with a particular device, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer. Finally, after you're done typing in a credential and you're ready to log in, click the Continue button. But in case you've forgotten your login details, click this link right here that says Forgotten Your Logon Details. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to look for your user ID or to reset to a new password. Finally, after you're done clicking the Continue button, you'll be able to get access to your internet banking account. Select the credit card tab, and that is how you should be able to get access to your credit card account for Lloyds Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. As soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.